Hey, what is going on, everyone? Today I have a really quick, short lesson about the question, how about you? There are two main situations where you want to use this question, and today we're going to talk about both of them. The most common way that you should use how about you is to ask someone the same question that they just asked you. Let's look at some examples. The first person says, "How was your day?" The next person says, "It was great. How about you?" Here, how about you means, how was your day? Because it's the same question that they just asked you. What music do you like? I really like hip hop and rock. How about you? Here, how about you would mean, what music do you like? There is an important rule here. If you use this definition of how about you, you should not say it unless someone else already asked you a question. So you should not start a conversation by saying, "Hey Grant, how about you?" That doesn't really make any sense. There's one more definition. This one is a little bit less common, but it's pretty similar to the first one. How about you can also be used after you give an opinion about something, and it means you are asking the other person to give their own opinion about that topic. I love going to the beach. How about you? Here, how about you means, do you like going to the beach? I kind of want to leave now. How about you? Here, how about you would mean, do you want to leave? So you should only use this sentence when you just shared an opinion that you have and you're asking the other person their opinion, or like our first definition, someone asked you a question and you want to ask them the same question. Thanks, guys.